Hi everyone, I'm Shahnaz Farisha from OrangeTee and Thai AEG Division, Dallas Hassan Group. Do you happen to be looking for a HDB executive Maisonette? We've got one right here for sale at 336 Jurong East Avenue 1. This spacious 2-floor, 4-bedroom executive Maisonette promises comfortable living for huge family sizes. Come, let's check it out. Upon entering the unit, you will first be greeted by our spacious dining area with plenty of walking space, easily accommodating an 8-seater, perfect gathering spot for large families or for when you have guests over. Through here, we have a lovely living space, bathed in plenty of natural lighting and adorning elegant timber facades that give it this homely and cozy charm. Its rustic charm combined with its simple layout makes it easy to customize this home according to your unique taste and style preferences. You even have access to a balcony feature where you can accommodate a lounge area. The abundance of space makes this home not only aesthetically pleasing but also very functional. This open kitchen concept is efficiently designed with plenty of cabinetry, built-in oven and hob system, perfect for your culinary needs. Our 3 bedrooms are good sized with no odd shapes to hinder furniture placement, easily fitting your queen-sized beds. In fact, their versatile layouts will allow you to repurpose them however you desire. This master bedroom is lavish and well lit, coming with a walk-in wardrobe, his side, her side with your own vanity to fit in all your fashion items and leaving ample space for your king-size bed. And of course, it also comes with your own pristine ensuite. This unit is located a 14-minute bus ride away from Chinese Garden MRT on the East-West line. For food and shopping, head down to Taman Jurong Shopping Centre and Boon Lay Shopping Centre with no shortage of dining and retail shops to indulge in. Offering even more dining and retail options, you also have GEM and Jurong Point just a few MRT stops away. On the weekends, take a stroll along Chinese Garden or have a relaxing day outdoors, immersing in the sights of the beautiful Jurong Lake Garden. Parents will also be pleased to find great schools nearby like Jurong Primary, Jurongville Secondary and Fuhua Secondary, just to name a few. So if you wish to know more about this unit, call me, Shahnaz Farisha, at 9451 7626. See you in the next video.